Look at that patina. Absolutely gorgeous. A true survivor from '58.
There's a beauty in the decay.
We use only the densest foam to protect this vintage paintwork, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Apply the degreaser liberally and work it deep into the rollers with the brush. You can see the old oil dissolving right away.
You have to be slow and methodical, especially with a classic like this 1958 panhead. Absolutely spotless, ready for the road.
When you're dealing with 50-year-old rust, you need something that goes deep.
Stage end, cleaned, stripped down to the soul. A true beauty, this panhead. And that clears the frame.
We'll set this beauty down right here on the foam before we start on the engine.
Look at that gunk. We gotta soak this thing overnight before we even think about rebuilding it.
Now that the pressure is off the cables, we can carefully lift the handlebars and set them down gently on the bench.
Here lies the heart of the machine, the exposed primary drive of the 58 panhead.
Simply brush on the thick gel. The chemical reaction visibly transforms the rust, making it easy to wipe away.
The trick is to apply even pressure, smoothing the filler across the dent in one continuous motion.
You want to use a long block to bridge the curves. This ensures the surface is perfectly flat before we apply the color.
These 58 panhead fenders are finally ready. Took a lot of work to get them this clean.
We're looking deep into the heart of this panhead now.
And there you have it, the cylinder is off. Now we can get a good look at the piston and the rod assembly inside the case.
We submerged the vintage panhead parts completely, allowing the solvent to penetrate the baked-on grease.
Applying steady pressure now. We are seating the bearing perfectly flush with the crankcase surface.
All right, lowering the 58 panhead crank into the left case now. It has to be slow and steady. We're installing the polished rocker covers on this beautiful 1958 panhead engine.
Aligning the gears just right before the cover slides smoothly into place. Now, carefully tighten the bolts to secure the timing.
The 1958 panhead, a true masterpiece. It takes patience to achieve this level of shine. Priming the legendary 1958 panhead FLH, an absolutely flawless and even coating, ready for the next stage of restoration.
And just like that, the haze clears, leaving that deep, wet look finish. That's exactly what we're looking for.
And that's what we call the mirror buff. Slow, deliberate passes until you can practically see your face in the chrome. Now we torque the front mount to spec. Don't want any leaks on this beauty.
This old panhead has seen a lot of miles. Every scratch tells a story. Every polish honors the journey.
Feast your eyes on this, the legendary 1958 Harley-Davidson Panhead FLH.
This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of history, gleaming under the golden light.
So polished, the reflections glide across the surface. Every bolt is flawless on this 1958 classic.